I have spent 5 sessions working with Susan, and they have truly been amazing. She is the first spiritual guidance I've had in my life, and this was an area of my life that I really wanted to tap into and learn more about and find the ways that I could bring the spiritual self and this inner child and this divine feminine into my life. And through working with Susan, I have learned so much about myself. I just want to say that the space that she holds is incredible, and I'm someone who needs to feel a lot of ease around people, and I can confidently say that she is that person. She lets you feel that ease, and she guides you in a way that it feels natural, and it kind of feels like this is what you're meant to be doing, of course, if you're open to it. So she's led me through some inner child work, and I have been very receptive and open to that thanks to her holding the space. And I've made some really groundbreaking discoveries that have helped me in my own life personally, in my relationship to my parents, in my relationship to my partner, to my friends, to strangers. And she just brings another level of the divine and that spiritual essence that really guides you into these phases. And with the divine feminine, she's helped me tap into that and realize that it's always there, and you just kind of have to look for it even on the hardest of days. And she's just truly a beautiful, amazing soul, and you can tell that she's done her own inner work to be able to guide people through these practices and help them open up in ways that they didn't know they needed to. So I've been incredibly grateful for working with her. She's amazing, and I would do it all over again, and I will continue to do it. So thank you.